Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to ALN Studio tutorial 68, and today's topic is how to add a moving dashes animation in a multi-cloud architecture diagram in ALN Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the next page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you need to select cloud architecture, and in the next page you need to select a provider from the pop-up. Now you please select multi-cloud because for the today's demo we are discussing about multi-cloud. I have already generated this diagram for my use case. My use case is that there is a company whose main application runs on AWS, but for logs and backup they go ahead with GCP. And this diagram got generated in just next 15 to 20 seconds. Now we are discussing about the animation, so kindly click on the animation panel and click on moving dashes over here, and you can see that all the dashes have started, all the arrows have started moving in the dashed manner. If you want to change the dash color, you can do it from here. If you want to increase the or decrease the dash length, you can do it from here. If you want to increase or decrease the gap length, you can do it from here. If you want to increase or decrease the animation speed, you can do it from here. So basically, adding a moving dashes animation in AI Line Studio helps you to make your multi-cloud diagram more dynamic and easy to understand.